Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Margaritaville Grand Turks recorded $397,000 in profit over the 9 months to the end of February. The profit was a slight improvement on the prior year results. It was helped by insurance proceeds claimed after the property was damaged by hurricanes last year. Derrimon Trading has decided to take more money in its preference shares offer than originally planned. The company was originally seeking $250 million, but said it has upsized to bring in $350 million instead. Derrimon, in a release to the Jamaica Stock Exchange earlier today, said that the decision was driven by excess demand. It is selling the shares for $2 each, with plans to repay the money in 2021. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.44. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.23. The pound sterling is costing $176.62, while the euro costs $158.25. The JSE index closed up more than 1,407 points, while the junior market index lost 1 point. Berita Investments, Express Catering, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Lasco Distributors, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and Seprod were among the winners. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, CAC 2000, Elite Diagnostics, Honeybun, JMMB Group, Knutsford Express, Panjam, Supreme Ventures, and Wisinco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.